Hello, my name is Omar Pastor Ramos. On my next vacations, I am going to visit Miami, Florida. I am going to buy my plane tickets the next week. I am going to fly into Miami on 15th of May, and I am going to stay in a hotel in the city, near to the beach. I am going to wear jeans and t-shirts. I am going to wear shorts in the beach. I am going to invite some friends to the travel. I'm going to visit all important places in the city: downtown, discos, the shopping center, the attractions of the beach. I'm going to ride a boat. I'm going to swimming in the sea. I'm going to swimming in the pool of the hotel. Really, I'm going to spend some time at the beach. I'm going to shopping many gifts in the outlets. I'm going to buy clothes, shoes. I'm going to spend about $1,000 in the travel, in the tourist sites, food, drinks. So I'm going to eat a lot of American food, and I'm going to buy many souvenirs and gifts to my family, and I will bring souvenirs for my friends. After 2 weeks, I'm going to fly home. Thank you.